Hello, Handy Mandy here. I wanted to go into my front entry area here and focus on my front closet door. It has been painted with an eggshell finish paint, which is not conducive for this area. We really need something with a higher sheen to it, like a semi-gloss or higher, so that it is a little bit more scrubbable for just the high traffic dirt that's coming in and out with all of my children and their friends. So I'm going to be painting this door. It's an older bifold door, but I still don't mind the look of it for here. I just need to update the paint. And when I do that, it will cover a lot of the little chips that you're seeing, like in this area. And up close, you can see a lot of not nice areas on this door. So with a new paint job, that will fix that and make it look a lot more bright. Just taking a clean rag here, and I'm wiping off a lot of this surface dust to prepare for painting. It's important to clean off the door really well. You don't want your paint to chip off. If you just paint right over dirt and dust, then it won't be very solid. A lot of this dirt is, like I said, stained right into the eggshell paint. You can hear how grippy and eggshell-like the finish is on this door. My least favorite kind of paint, especially on trims and things like that. One thing I'm also going to do to give this a bit of an updated look is I'm going to change out the knob on the door, because I have an extra one that will match the floor here. My kids are outside and I get to paint. I'm in my happy place. I got the paint that I'm using for this project at Pazant's Home Hardware. You can find these at your local home hardware store. And I know the can has seen newer days, but still lots in it. Silk interior, exterior, and it's specifically for trim and door. So it's a very good quality, low odor, and a wonderful paint to use for this project. Oh, hello.
Are you
Painting.
Are you recording a video, Mommy?
Yes, I am. Say hello. Hello.
Lots of people are gonna watch this video on YouTube.
Yep, lots of people. Thousands and thousands and millions of people will watch this on.
And thousands and thousands.
Like and share.
Like and share.
When you're a mother, you've got to deal with interruptions. Out with the old. we go, the finished product. A nice freshly painted front closet door with new hardware. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked what you saw, leave a comment down below. Like and subscribe if you have not already done that, and join my YouTube family. It super supports me. So have a great day and see you on the next video.